Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, D.i.y TV. For today's video is we're gonna tint a multicab. This is a multicab guys, a drop side multicab, only the head and the side and the back side. First step is to clean the glass and then provide the materials you need. The tint film, we use the medium dark magic tint, or what you call this magic chrome or chrome black. Typically use this tint here in the Philippines so that it become one-way mirror outside and then the night, not dark in inside. Usually it gonna use all of these materials here in the Philippines. This is a popular brand, and this typically tint is to minimize the heat rejection outside inside to your car. From the heat outside, it cannot penetrate, or it will reflect the UV light heat rejection and then the harmful radiation in the sun. It can also help the tint to cool the temperature inside of your vehicle. Usually used by a closed type vehicle like this one, multicab. It can help reduce the heat and it will not compensate your air conditioning. And this procedure is the front side of the windshield. I use the tint outside, install it outside so that I can get the pattern, and then the shrinking method I've used. I use the wet based or wet method, and the special cut method, heat shrinking technique. This is typically used in the Philippines so that the materials can be fixed and then arrange it properly, shrink it nicely. And because the glass is slightly curved, you have to shrink the film so that it can get the properly shape of the glass, so that you're gonna hit the factory line or the factory cut. That's the side you're gonna hit or shrink the material. I use the heating gun or heat gun so that I can apply heat and also help the heat of the sun to reduce the amount of labor force of my work. It can help you reduce the shrinking method faster. So I put the materials outside and then the lining outside, and then I just cut it out from the outside and then install it from inside. I use the same material, magic chrome or dark chrome. Usually magic you called here in the Philippines. So right here now is gonna installing inside the multicab. You have to clean first the glass or the windshield, and then carefully apply the tint. Remove the lining or liner or the transparent part of the film. After that, you're gonna apply the wet soap or the dishwashing liquid or baby soap liquid using your spray. Wet the glass and then install it from the inside. You have to carefully trim the tint so that it can fit nicely from inside. Cut outside and then install it from the inside. So I just remove the lining and then install it from inside, and then remove the excess water by using your squeegee. So I will show it this part of this video. Hope it can help you a lot of this technique, tinting, glass tinting. Because this is my job. So that okay, now for now is I just pulling out the water using my squeegee or rubber. It's like a wiper glass. So remove the excess water and the air pockets of the film. Before installing, you have to close all the vehicle so that the dust cannot go inside. This is the final product of my job. Using magic chrome or color chrome or silver chrome, dark chrome that you call, but here they called it magic tint. Right here is one way, and then inside it's very clear from the inside if you're driving at night, not dark. So it's perfectly for the condition of here in the Philippines. Usually they gonna use this for heat rejection, and then the viewing protection of the driver. So that is for now. So subscribe. Here located at Mabuhay Road, it's a glass aluminum services. It's called Saddam Glass Services. If you need some glass works, contact them, and then here in Mabuhay area, and they can also install in Gensan area. Okay, thank you, and hope you like my video, and like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then see you in my next vlog. If you want more suggestions, guys, comment down below. If you need aluminum services, just call them, and they can make steel and glass services for your home. Usually residential and commercial jobs they offer. Thank you guys, and see you in my next vlog.
Buset. Matunggan ba? Video na eh. May picture.